if you do not receive notifications on your Redmi Watch 6, if they don't show up on your Redmi Watch 6, then what you can do is you need to go to the Mi Fitness app or Mi Fitness app on your phone. Of course, make sure that the device category is selected and make sure that the Redmi Watch 6 is selected as well. And then we're gonna go to notifications and calls. Then over here, open app notifications. First of all, make sure that app notifications option is enabled. And besides that, we have this option, notify only when worn. So sometimes the watch might not be able to detect that you have it on your wrist, and therefore you might not be able to see notifications, or you will not always get these notifications. So if that is the case, you might want to disable this option, although it is not always necessary. But if everything else fails, if everything is enabled here in these settings and you still cannot see notifications, then of course you can just turn off notify only when worn over here. You can also find the same setting on your watch, but you can of course do this easily with your phone. Now besides that, here we have more options, and if you use mirror phone notifications, then pretty much every notification that you receive on your phone is going to be sent to your watch as well. So essentially you will see all notifications from your phone on your Redmi Watch 6. But if you don't want to see all notifications and only some of them from selected apps, then you can go for the custom notifications option instead. And over here, you can choose which apps should send notifications to your Redmi Watch 6 as well. So if certain apps do not send you notifications, or if you don't see notifications from some apps on your watch, if you have custom notifications option selected, just go through this list and make sure that your apps are enabled in here. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.